bienvenido a Casa de Mafarifi, and I am going to be doing an unboxing today. None of this stuff is sponsored. I purchased this with my borrowed money, aka a credit card. So I got I needed some new workout shoes because I've been working out like she get a flat, ew. Anyways, I got some new gym shoes. I got some from Noble, and then I got some bras from Lane Bryant because, whoo, hunty, my bra is on its last little hook. Literally, one hook left on that hook. And I needed a new sports bra because I was wearing the She Fit bra, but I really don't like that my boobs touch. So I wanted a bra that had wire in it that separated my boobs. So I had gotten a new bra, and then I got some random stuff off of Amazon to hang up my blackout curtains. So, but I just came from the gym, so first I need to make a smoothie before I can do this unboxing. Oh, and also I bought some my skincare that I've been using for like the past year or so. So smoothie is acquired. I made a blueberry banana peanut butter smoothie. I'm obsessed with peanut butter. I will literally put peanut butter in everything. I don't care what it is. I even put peanut butter on my pancakes and my cereal. Anyways, I digress. So the first box that I want to unopen is my skincare routine. I'm gonna not show you guys the label so you won't know where I'm living. But let me open this box. So there's this YouTuber that I like to follow. Her name is Megan Moon, and she's American, a Black American that's been living in Korea for like the past 10 years. She has like a whole family and everything. She's so cute. But she does a skincare routine discount every year, like twice a year. I think today's the last day to get it, but I do like to use it. I've been using it for a year. It's been making my skin look really good. It smooths it out. I had a bunch of I have a bunch of hyperpigmentation on like the side of my face, but it's gone down a lot. So it definitely helps my skin, and my skin has been looking more toned and stuff like that. So, and then this skincare routine has 4 steps. So the first one is the green tea and enzymes powder wash, a pH balanced, gently exfoliating, cleansing powder formulated with green tea, papain, enzymes, and baking soda. I'm pretty sure I said that. Papain? I have no idea. Don't call me on that, but I really like this. It makes my skin feels really good. And again, this is not sponsored. This is me using my own money. This is just what I genuinely like to use as my skincare routine. The rice toner is really good. I love the rice toner. I'm almost done with my other bottle, but I wanted to stack up before I run out. So, and then I also wanted to catch her sale because she's not having a sale for all the products. I think it adds up to like almost $100, and with her discount it's like $50 in free shipping. But this rice toner is nice. This is vegan, so I really like this. Definitely it's been evened out my skin because I used to have a bunch of blotches, but it's definitely evened out. And then you have the vitamin C oil. Hear that vitamin C oil is really good for your skin, so I do like to use this. This is good. And then last is the vitamin E, which is good for boosting radiance and glow. Because once I put this bad boy on, girl, if you want to be shiny like a glazed donut, okay, that's what you're gonna get from this. And your skin feels so hydrated because my face dry. And with I love popping these things. And with the vitamin E oil, you're definitely going to be extra hydrated. I'm telling you, put this on and your skin is just, you're going to be glossy like a glazed donut. A fresh glazed Krispy Kreme donut. And I don't like Krispy Kreme donuts. And then also comes with these cotton pads, but what I like to do with the rice toner is I don't use these because I feel like a lot of the product just gets soaked up in these pads. And I don't like to put it in my hand either because I feel like I'm trying to hurry up and like splash it on my face like that, and I still spill some of the product. So what I do is I went to Walmart, buy the little travel size little spray bottles. I put my rice toner in the spray bottle, and then I just spray it on my face. So that way I'm not wasting any product whatsoever. Then I, pat it in or rub it in or however you want to rub it into your skin, do that. So I feel like, yes, putting it in a spritz bottle it's way better, and then you don't waste product. And then I got a free gift for this one. This is unscented toner. It's just a small little sample toner, so it's just a toner. It's oil-free, deep moisturizing, balanced pH levels, and vegan friendly. So this whole skincare line is all vegan friendly if you guys are worried about that. But yes, that's it for that one. Let's move on to the next. Oh, by the way, I took my nephew's gummies. Boy, don't mind the peanut butter on here, because my peanut butter's These ones is good, and I don't know if I should be eating these because I'm trying to have a weight goal. You know, I've been strength training and everything, but I was like, I'm gonna try this out. Yo, these are good. These are good. So the next unboxing that I have is my Lane Bryant bras. I actually got 4 bras. I got regular bras. I got 2 regular bras, like full coverage bras, and then I got a t-shirt bra, and then I got a sports bra because I've been needing a sports bra. So I've been wearing a She Fit bra, right? And I was like, this is when I first started working out, really didn't know much about any type of workout stuff. So I kept seeing a commercial or whatever for She Fit, so I tried it. She Fit is okay, but I feel like if you have a bigger chest like then you're gonna look like you have a uniboob, and I don't like that, and I don't like my boobs touching together because the She Fit bra definitely just pushes everything together, and I don't like it because then when I start sweating, it feels all icky, and I don't like it. So I wanted a sports bra that had wire in it, okay, because I need these bad boys to not move, and I'm going to try it. So this is what the sports bra looks like. It's cute or whatever. I got it black. That has some other colors, but I didn't do it. I'm my dog in the background. He's always growling at something. It's a nice material. It feels good. So, and I like it has like the breathable mesh in there, and I love the wire, so my boobs are definitely going to be separated, and the straps are thick, so I'm gonna go try this on real quick. Okay, so this is the sports bra. Yeah, this feels amazing. This feels so good, and now I can go to the gym without feeling uncomfortable, because yes, this wire is a blessing, and my boobs are separated, and there's no sweating, and I don't look like I have a uniboob either. I fucking love this. The straps are amazing. They're not digging into my skin or anything like that. Y'all, if y'all have some chi-chis like I, definitely go to Lane Bryant and get this sports bra. Let me get the tag. Livy is a brand that made this bra, and it is an underwire sports bra, which I love. This is what I needed, and its level of impact is a 3, because I wanted something that's like really gonna hold the girls down. I wanted something that was really gonna like hold me down when I'm doing the jump squats or whatever hit workout that I'm doing. So I needed something to really hold them down. This is a 38G. Now I'm normally a 36G, but she says the sports bras do run small, so go up 1 size for your waistband. And I'm glad I did, because if I had gotten a 36, I don't think I wouldn't have been able to put the hook on. I do like that this sports bra does have 4 hooks, so you definitely have support in the back will not be digging, the back strap will not be digging into your back, so you're definitely gonna be comfortable. Like, it feels light, and I like it. Okay, so on to the next unboxing. I just wanted to show you what it looks like with the t-shirt on. No uniboob. You can tell that I have 2 chi-chis. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to unbox is my shoes. Okay, my shoes that I got from Noble. There's nothing on here because I need to take plastic off. I guess just take plastic off first. But I'm trying to remember how I discovered Noble. I think I was just online Googling like good shoes that will last for a while, because I have some Nike ones, but I need some new ones. Okay, I just need some new ones. Got some Noble shoes. Again, I am not sponsored, but if Noble or Lane Bryant or Windstream want to sponsor me, please, you know, hit up my DMs. My email will be below. Okay, so I got these shoes in 8.5. So let's open them. I can open it. Okay, this is what it's looking like. Got the Noble gift wrap paper. I don't know. I got all black, y'all. I had to do all black because majority of my workout clothes is black, and I really don't like wearing light colors when I'm working out because I really don't like seeing the sweat stains, not sweat stains, but the sweat. I don't like to show my sweat, if that makes sense, because those light colors, you can see the sweat, and sometimes you just be sweating everywhere and just look like you just pee on yourself, and I don't like that. So I get dark color workout stuff. Like it's either a dark brown or a black or whatever, dark green. Green is my favorite color, if you have not noticed. But I wanted to just get black at first because they had these in green too. But I was like, ooh, that green is nice. But I was like, I don't really have many workout outfits that will match that green. Although I mostly only have black, so I guess it would have worked out. But just in case I want to do some color, you know, I got some all black shoes. I got the Trainer Plus ones, so I've been weightlifting a lot. Yeah, this is nice. It's so cute. It's kind of reflecting a little bit. So now I'm gonna go to the gym and be like, what's up, bitch? No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, my trainer really be hating on my Nikes. He's talking about, I'm glad you got some new shoes. Yeah, because those is busted. Excuse me, sir. How about you mind your own business? Anyways, got these size in 8.5. I got the high top ones. The upper of the trainer features a seamless one-piece construction, a super fabric, an extremely durable, breathable, and abrasion-resistant material. The super fabric guard plates are injected on a highly flexible mesh base layer, creating a 360-degree shield from razor wire and rope climbing. So these are supposed to be really, really good. Oh, I like the little detail. It says just the horns. Clearly I can't read. And it has the Noble on the bottom of it too. This is nice. And I like the grooves on the bottom so my shoes won't be slippering when I am trying to lift. Like, yo, this is light. I like this. I can't wait to try them out tomorrow when I work out. So I will do a workout in these shoes to see how it works. So these are nice. I can't wait to. Oh, I'm so excited. They smell like new shoes. And then also they give you some shoelaces too. So if you want to get the Noble shoelace, put that on there. Be cute too. So that, yo, I'm excited. Okay, hold on. Let me just try this shoe on real quick for y'all. Okay, so the shoe fits really good and it's comfortable. Like, I definitely will not have to worry about my foot slipping because in my other shoes, when I was lifting, my foot would kind of slip to the side. But no, these are, once your foot is on the ground, like, these shits, they're not moving. These feel good. I'm glad I got an 8.5 and not an 8. But no, these are true to size. I like it. Definitely get y'all some Noble. I love it. The part is how light the shoes feel. Yes. Get y'all some of these. I don't know why I'm putting stuff in back in, but I'm just gonna go back in for now. Last unboxing that I have is I bought these like, I lost my train of thought of what it's called, but you hang your curtains on it. It goes on the wall. It sticks to the wall. So, what are these called? They're self-adhesive ceiling or wall curtain rack. So you stick these to the wall because I live in an apartment and I don't want to have to worry about filling the holes up later. So I'm just gonna stick it to the wall. And I got some blackout curtains. They're really long, so sticking this to the ceiling will actually work out, so my curtains won't be dragging on the floor. But you stick these to the ceiling, and then you put these little hooks in the grooves here, and it'll just slide back and forth just fine. I'm gonna do a video of putting these up so y'all can see what it looks like in the end. But I wanted to try these out. I saw it on TikTok, so I'm just like, hey, TikTok has not steered me wrong, so I was like, well, let me try this out. I did say, in order to take this off, blow dry it, like use a hair dryer to get the adhesive warm, so you try to kind of get unsticky. Don't just pull it off the ceiling. Oh, and if you have popcorn ceilings, this is not gonna work. You need to have flat ceilings, and I don't have popcorn ceilings, thank goodness. I think popcorn ceilings are just not cute. So I got this. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna show y'all in a different video of how it looks after I put it up. But that is all that I have for my unboxing for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys have any questions, please let me know below in the comments, and I will have everything linked below from where I got all the stuff. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe if you have not subscribed already. And I post every Friday because I do love interacting with you guys. I have 62 subscribers now. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna do a giveaway. So I'm going to put, for the rules, I'm going to put it down in the description below. I'm going to do a $25 Amazon gift card for reaching 62. Like, I know it's a small number, but it's a big number to me because I started at 0. I really do thank you guys for watching my videos and subscribing. So I'm gonna do a $25 Amazon gift card for reaching 60 subscribers. And when I reach 1,000 subscribers, I will do a $100 Amazon gift card. So I feel like everybody shops at Amazon, so I feel like that's a good gift card to give away. So I will have the rules in the description bar below. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.